Hello everyone. In this video we are going to read squares and squares roots. This video is for standard 8. Let's see the definition of square first. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. It means that a number when multiplied by itself gives the square of the number. For example, 4 when multiplied by 4 gives 16, which is a square number, and so 16 is the square of 4. In the same way, 9 when multiplied by 9 itself gives 81 as its product. Thus 81 is the square of 9. Now let's come to the perfect square or square numbers. Perfect square. For perfect square we must remember it that the square of natural numbers are called perfect square. You must be knowing that natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. So natural number, smallest natural number is 1. So and the squares of all natural numbers are perfect squares. For example, let's see the first example given in the book, which is 1. 1 is the square of what? 1. 1 when multiplied by itself, that is 1, gives 1 as its product. Okay. Now let's see the other example, that is 4. How 4 is obtained? 4 is obtained by multiplying 2 by itself, that is 2. When 2 and 2 are multiplied together, it gives 4 as its product. Similarly, 9, 16, 25 are the squares of 3, 4 and 5 respectively. So let's move ahead. See this line. A perfect square is always expressible as the product of pairs of equal factors. So now to understand this line, let's see the example number 1. In the example number 1, it is given that is 196 a perfect square? If so, find the number whose square is 196. Yes, 196. You must be knowing how to do prime factorization. Prime factorization, this is the way you need to do prime factorization. You have to find the smallest number which divides the given number, and then you have to move forward. In 196 is a even number. So and even numbers are divisible by 2. So the 2 is the smallest number which divides 196. Then we move on and we find the prime factorization of 196, that is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 1. 1 is negligible. 1 can be neglected. Okay, not negligible, you can say. It can be neglected, it can be ignored because it doesn't impart any change in the product. 1 multiplied by any number gives them 1 itself. So let's see the prime factorization. The prime factorization thus obtained is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 into 7. Now if we see the prime factorization, we find that 2 and 7 are in pairs. Okay, there are 2 2s and 2 7s. Thus 196 can be written as the square of 2 multiplied by 7, that is 2 multiplied by 7 to square, matlab whole square of 2 multiplied by 7, and 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So 196 is the square of 14. Okay, now let's move to the next example. Show that 1764, that is 1764, is a perfect square. Find the number whose square is 1764. In the same way as you did the first example, you have to do the prime factorization of 1764. You have to find the smallest number which divides a given number. So as 1764 is an even number, so it must be divisible by 2. So in this way we move on, we keep dividing it until we get 1 as the quotient, you can say. At last we get 1. Now thus we get the prime factorization of 1764. Now 1764 can be written as the product of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 into 7. So we have 2 2's, 2 3's and 2 7's. Thus it can be expressed as the product of 2 2's, 2 3's and 2 7's all these prime factors we have got by prime factorization are in pairs. That is, 2 is there are 2 2's, 2 3's, 2 7's, all are in pairs. Now we can write them in this form. See, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 to the whole square. Now the product of 2, 3 and 7 is 42. Thus 1764 is the square of 42. Okay, and it's a perfect square because 42 is a natural number.